write your very first Python program. Even if you've never coded before, this video is for you. So, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Watch this and let's go to print hello world and then run it. That's code.
They can be there, just follow my instructions. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this single line works. So, before we write anything else, let me ask you a question.
How does a computer know what to do with this? Or why does it display a message instead of doing something completely different?
Well, the answer is hidden inside this one line. And we are going to uncover it piece by piece. But first, we need a place to write our code.
Think about like this. If you want to write a book, you need a paper. If you want to paint, you need a canvas. And if you want to write a Python code, you need a code editor.
Today, we're using VS Code. And now, don't worry if this looks complicated. You know, you're not expected to understand everything here. In fact, most professional programmers only use a small percentage of what VS Code can do. For today, we only need one thing, a place to write the code.
So, let's create a new file. From here, open the file, and then for example, like this, name it and save it. But now, let's print hello world.
But there are actually three important things happening here. And once you understand them, you'll understand one of the core ideas of programming. Let's start with the first one.
Print hello world. Print. What exactly is print? Imagine a message appearing on your phone screen. Suddenly a notification pops up and shows you everything. In Python, the print function does exactly that. It displays whatever you give it on the screen, just like a message appearing right in front of your eyes. Now, let's move to the next part. The parentheses, the symbols right here. Think of them like a box. The box itself isn't important. What's important is what goes inside. Parentheses hold information that we want to give to print. When Python says this, it understands that something is being passed to print. Let's look inside the box. Hello world. And this part is extremely important. The quotation marks, why are they there? Because they tell Python this is text. Think of quotation marks like labels on a box. If a box says books, you immediately know what's inside. Quotation marks do the same things for Python. They tell Python, treat this as text. Don't execute it. Don't calculate it. Just display it. And that's exactly what's happened.
Now, let's put everything together. Print is the speaker. Parentheses are the container. Quotation marks tell Python that the content is text.
Here's something interesting. Let's change the message. For example, instead of hello world, I'll write hello Percy. So, run, and you can change. And look at that. The output changed immediately. Hello world, hello Hasty, sorry. And let's try another one. For example, print I am learning Python. I am learning Python. And then run. Let's try another one. Print quotation marks. This is my first program. And then run it again. Works perfectly. I'm learning Python. This is my first program.
And that's because Python doesn't care what text you put inside the quotation marks. Its job is simply display whatever message you give it. Now, let's do something every beginner eventually does.
Let's remove the quotation marks completely. Again, hello world. Run it. And then yes, syntax error. You can see that we have our why, because remember why we learned quotation marks? Quotation marks tell Python this is text. Without quotation marks, Python no longer knows what hello world is text.
Now, here something important. Every programmer gets errors. Beginners get errors. Professionals get errors. Even developer with 10 years of experience get error. You know, programming isn't about avoiding mistakes. It's about understanding them and fixing them. So, if you see errors while learning, that's completely normal. You're learning the exact same skill developers used to build those things. Pretty cool, right? I have a challenge for you. Pause the video, open your editor, replace hello world with your own name. Run the program. Welcome back. If it worked, congratulations. Yay! You just wrote and ran your first Python program. And that may sound small, but listen carefully. Every software engineering, every AI developer, every cybersecurity professional, all of them start with something just like this. One line of code. Today, you didn't just type code. You learned how to communicate with your computer. And that's the first real step into programming. Now, here's the exciting part. Right now, our program can only talk. It can display information, but in the next lesson, you wrote your first line of Python today. And every great programmer started exactly here. So, subscribe because this is just the beginning. See you in the next video.